Splash. So there I was, in the middle of the ocean. No life jacket, no boat, no flotillas. Just me in a whole lot of water. I could not touch the bottom. I could not see the shore. And I was starting to sink. Most people in this situation would drown. But me? I am STIX. And today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to survive drowning and how to swim even if you have never swum before in your entire life. This could literally save your life this summer. And at the end, I will tell you the #1 mistake that causes most drowning deaths. Stay until the end because it is not what you think. Let me rewind. 10 minutes earlier, I was at the pool, looking cool, feeling confident. The sun was shining. The water was blue. Life was beautiful. I thought, how hard can swimming be? I see kids doing it. I see dogs doing it. If a dog can swim, STIX can swim. So I jumped in. Big mistake. Turns out, dogs are natural swimmers. STIX is a natural sinker. The moment my feet left the ground and I could not touch the bottom, everything went wrong. But you know what? That experience taught me everything I know about water survival. And now I'm going to teach it to you, starting with why people actually drown. Every year, 236,000 people drown worldwide. That is one person every 2 minutes. But why? There are 3 main reasons. #1, panic. When your head goes underwater and you cannot breathe, your brain goes into full panic mode. You start splashing, flailing, wasting all your energy, and that makes you sink faster. #2, exhaustion. Fighting the water is exhausting. Your muscles burn out in less than a minute if you are panicking. And once your muscles are gone, you sink. #3, no help nearby. Most drownings happen when there is nobody around to help. That is why you should never swim alone. But here is the good news. If you know just 4 simple rules, your chances of surviving go from almost 0 to almost 100%. Rule #1 is the most important. Rule #1, do not panic. I know. You are underwater. You cannot breathe. Every part of your brain is screaming. But look at the difference. This guy on the left, he is panicking, splashing, flailing, using all his energy. He's going to sink in 30 seconds. But me on the right, calm, floating, conserving energy, still looking cool. Why? Because the human body naturally floats. That is right. Your body is designed to float. You're about 60% water yourself. You just need to stop fighting and let your body do what it naturally does. The more you fight the water, the faster you sink. The more you relax, the more you float. It sounds crazy, but the secret to surviving water is to stop trying so hard. Let me show you exactly how to float. Rule #2, learn to float. This is the single most important survival skill in water. Here is how I do it. Step 1, tilt your head back. Look at the sky, not at the water. Step 2, push your chin up. This keeps your mouth and nose above the surface. Step 3, spread your arms out wide like a starfish. This gives you more surface area and more stability. Step 4, relax your legs. Do not kick, just let them hang. The key is to fill your lungs with air. Full lungs are like built-in life jackets. They keep you floating. Take a big breath, hold it, and you will float. Drop a comment right now. Did you know that your body naturally floats? Most people do not know this. If you ever fall into water, just lean back, spread your arms, breathe, and float. You can stay like this for hours. You do not need to swim. Just float and wait for help. Rule #3, control your breathing. This is what separates survivors from victims. Here is the technique. When your mouth is above water, breathe in through your mouth. Take a big breath. Fill those lungs. When your face goes underwater, breathe out slowly through your nose and mouth. You will see bubbles. Those bubbles mean you are doing it right. Then lift your head again and breathe in. It is a rhythm. In above water, out underwater, in, out, in, out. The biggest mistake people make, they try to breathe in while their mouth is underwater. That is how water gets into your lungs. Never breathe in underwater. Always breathe out underwater and in above water. Master this rhythm, and you can survive in water indefinitely. Rule #4, Call for help the right way. Most people get this wrong. They raise both arms above their head and wave. Big mistake. When you raise both arms, there's nothing keeping you afloat. Your arms are your floaties. You need them in the water. The correct way? Raise only one arm. Wave with one arm, while the other arm keeps paddling underwater to keep you floating. And why yell? Yell help as loud as you can. But here is something scary that most people do not know. Real drowning is almost silent. In the movies, drowning people scream and splash. In real life, they just quietly slip under the water. No screaming, no wobbing, just silence. That is why lifeguards are trained to look for people who are quiet, not people who are loud. So if you can yell, why yell? You are already doing better than most. But what if someone else is drowning? How do you save them without drowning yourself? If you see someone drowning, your first instinct is to jump in and save them. Do not do this. A drowning person will grab onto you and push you under the water. Then both of you drown. Instead, remember these 4 words. Reach, throw, row, go. First, reach. Can you reach them from land with your hand? A stick, a pole, a towel, anything? If yes, reach and pull them in. Second, throw. Can you throw them something that floats? A life ring, a bottle, a cooler, even a ball? Throw it to them. Third, row. Can you get a boat, surfboard, or anything that floats to paddle out to them? Fourth and last resort, only go. Swim to them, but only if you are a strong swimmer and you bring a flotation device with you. Going in without a flotation device is how rescuers become victims. Reach, throw, row, go. Remember it. Mythbuster time. Myth 1. Drowning people scream and splash. Reality. Drowning is almost silent. The body focuses all energy on breathing, not on yelling. Most drowning victims go under quietly without anyone noticing. Myth 2. Wait 30 minutes after eating before swimming. Reality. This is an old myth. Eating before swimming does not cause drowning. You might get a small cramp, but it will not kill you. Myth 3. Shallow water is safe. Reality. You can drown in just 6 inches of water. Bathtubs, kiddie pools, even puddles. Toddlers drown in shallow water every year. Depth does not matter. Awareness does. Myth 4. Strong people cannot drown. Reality. Anyone can drown. Olympic swimmers have drowned. Lifeguards have drowned. Navy SEALs have drowned. The water does not care how strong you are. It only cares if you know what to do. And now that you know how to survive, let me teach you how to actually swim. Step 1. Learn to float. Before you can swim, you need to be comfortable in the water. Go to the shallow end of a pool. The water should be at your chest, not higher. Stand there and get used to the feeling. Then slowly lean back. Let the water support you. Spread your arms. Tilt your head back. And try to float on your back. The first time you might sink a little. That is okay. Just stand up and try again. The key is to relax your body. Every muscle needs to be loose. Tight muscles sink. Relaxed muscles float. Practice this for 10 minutes every day. Within 3 to 5 days, you will be able to float on your back without any effort. Once you can float, you can survive in any water. Floating is your foundation. Everything else is built on top of this. Step 2. Kick your legs. Go to the edge of the pool. Hold on a wall with both hands. Let your body float behind you horizontally and start kicking. Keep your legs straight. Do not bend your knees too much. Point your toes. Kick from your hips, not from your knees. The kick should be small and fast, not big and slow. Think of it like fluttering, not like karate kicks. Your feet should make a small splash, not a tidal wave. Practice this for 5 minutes holding the wall. Then try it while floating on your back. Kick gently while floating. You will start moving through the water. That is it. You are basically swimming now. Well, swimming backwards, but still swimming. Once your kicks feel comfortable, you are ready for the final step. Step 3. Arms and breathing. Now we put it all together. Float on your stomach this time. Kick your legs behind you. Now, add your RMS. One arm reaches forward above the water while the other arm pulls through the water underneath. It is like a windmill. Left arm forward, right arm pulls. Then switch. Right arm forward, left arm pulls. And the breathing? Turn your head to the side, not up, to the side when one arm is forward. Take a quick breath, then put your face back in the water and breathe out through your nose. In when your head turns, out when your face is down. Arms spinning, legs kicking, head turning to breathe. That is swimming. It feels weird at first. It feels like you're doing 47 things at the same time. But after a few days of practice, your body does it automatically. Like riding a bike. Once you learn it, you never forget it. Let me hit you with some numbers. 236,000 people drown every year worldwide. Drowning is the third leading cause of death by injury in the world. A person can drown in just 60 seconds. In one single minute. Children under 5 are the most at risk. And here is the scariest stat of all. 80% of drowning deaths could be prevented with basic water safety knowledge. 80%. That means 4 out of 5 people who drowned could have survived if they knew what I just taught you. Float on your back. Control your breathing. Do not panic. These simple skills would have saved thousands of lives. That is why this video matters. Share it with someone you love. It might literally save their life this summer. Final recap. The STIX Water Survival Guide. Survival rules. Rule 1. Do not panic. Your body naturally floats. Stop fighting the water. Rule 2. Float on your back. Head back, chin up, arms wide, legs relaxed, lungs full of air. Rule 3. Control your breathing. In above water, out underwater, never the other way around. Rule 4. Call for help with one arm, not two. Rule 5. Never swim alone. How to save someone. Remember reach, throw, row, go. Never jump in without a flotation device. How to swim. Step 1. Learn to float. Step 2. Practice kicking while holding the wall. Step 3. Add arms and breathing. Practice 10 minutes every day and you'll be swimming in 1 week. I approve this guide. This video could save a life. Share it with your friends and family before they go to the beach this summer. If you learned something new, smash that like button, hit subscribe to see more STIX survival guides, and drop a comment telling me what I should survive next. Lightning? Shark attack? Tornado? Snake bite? You decide. The most voted topic becomes the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe this summer. And remember, the water is not your enemy. Panic is your enemy. Beat the panic and you beat the water. STIX out.